Good morning sun, good morning sky. Open your eyes, it's time to rise. Stretch your arms and wiggle toes. A brand new day has just begun. Oh, brush, brush, brush your teeth. Make them shiny, make them neat. Up and down and round and round. Clean, bright smiles are the best around. Ooh, oh. Wash your face with splish and splash. Cool, fresh water, splashy splash. Wipe your eyes and cheeks so clean. Now you're glowing, fresh and keen. Comb your hair, 1, 2, 3. Look how smart and neat you'll be. Left side, right side, smooth it down. A happy smile, no tiny frown. Put your clothes on nice and slow. Shirt and pants, now off we go. Buttons click and zippers zip. Ready for the day, hip, hip, hip. Ooh, oh. Time for breakfast, yum, yum, yum. Healthy food for everyone. Milk and eggs and fruit so sweet. Strong and happy, what a treat. Sip your milk and chew just right. Energy for play and might. Growing big and growing strong. Sing your morning breakfast song. Pack your bag and check once more. Books and lunch and things galore. Shoes on feet, socks just fine. Ready to go, right on time. Ooh. Wave goodbye and smile so wide. Step outside with happy pride. School or play or fun-filled day. Learning new things on the way. Morning routines help us grow. Step by step we learn and know. Clean and kind and smart we stay. Starting fresh each lovely day. Ooh. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Morning time is super sweet. Sing it loud and sing it true.